Are you coming? Yeah. You changed again.
Just try, is it okay?
Yeah, you look great. No, your boobs look good. So, what do you think of everything?
Fabulous.
Hi pals, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very special guest. By popular demand, we have Mama Cake. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Oh, so my name is Maura.
Nothing too much now.
No, nothing too much. You probably know me from doing silly things on Instagram, like coming in my dressing gown to give her hot chocolate when it's pregnant. Now she's asked me to come in and do her makeup. I haven't a clue about it and I didn't sleep last night worrying about it. So let's see how we go. Well, I just felt a little bit, I feel a bit anxious. Still
She is the type of mom that puts her foundation on with her hands like moisturizer. So that's all I'm gonna say. Do my makeup like as if I'm going out, so like dramatic, like I want like full on.
Okay, so now we have to go looking for the primer. I do have, oh no, that's...
Do you have your contacts in?
Yeah, I do. No, I can see.
I'll just give you a hint.
Oh, great.
This
That's
is
primer, is it?
Yeah. See, read it.
Oh yeah.
Double Radiance Primer.
It just looks very...
So,
and do I shake?
I would shake. It's very watery.
God, I knew that at least.
So tell everyone what
Oh yeah,
brand
so
is.
we're going to use Flormar, which is this fantastic
primer.
Oh yeah, primer. Flormar, and I love that little butterfly, so that's straight, got my vote. We're putting this on Kate's skin first. Yeah, so, ooh. And as you can see, it goes flawlessly on the skin. Her skin is really nice today. Should I be using an implement? That's great, primer started. And so the next thing we're going to do, and I'm just going by what I sometimes see her do, is, so I'm going to not look for hints, but...
The way you're looking at me now is like, tell me.
So we're going to have a little bit of concealer. Have I gone a step ahead?
A little bit, but just do what you think.
Okay, so I'll just go with concealer then. Oh, Pro Conceal. Now, we have so many different, look, camouflage, we have all these different concealers. So
I gave her three choices.
Three choices, and I'm going to say, I'm going to go with Pro Conceal.
LA Girl is the brand.
LA Girl,
yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely LA
It's
Girl.
very good concealer.
So that's lovely. And okay, so this, oh, it's got a kind of a hairy top.
Yeah, it's a bit
but it's like a little animal coming out of there. So a bit, so okay, we're looking at the eyes. That's what I would think of. Yeah.
Is it coming out?
Oh yeah. Oh, I see. It's a little brush.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Well done, LA Pro Concealer. So again, I'm kind of grimacing at her. So do I? Is that okay? Do you need camouflage anywhere else? No. Oh, sometimes you do here too.
Sometimes, yeah.
Oh yeah. So now the big thing is I'm faced with about 50 brushes here and I haven't a clue.
Look at the ones that have like concealer looking colour,
yeah,
because they're dirty like.
This one? Ish? Oh, okay.
So no, I'm seriously not telling you anything else.
Okay, that's it. So we blend it in, obviously. Look at that transformation. It looks fabulous already.
Oh,
and all the, what did I say wrong?
Nothing.
All the dark circles are gone, we're going right up there. Okay, so great, primer done and concealer done already, the eyes are looking great. So now we're going to the very difficult task of picking the foundation. So,
just go for it,
okay.
Don't think too much.
I love this one, Born This Way, and this is, look what I'm
Too Faced.
Yes, Too Faced. Oh,
I love, this is one of my favourite foundations.
Her favourite foundations, pick that completely instinctively. So we're going to go with this.
Yeah.
Did I say wrong? She's told me to calm down. Okay, now
I didn't tell you to calm down.
Right now. Okay. That looks sort of like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to take a chance. Sorry if I'm... That's a good sturdy head, so that's why I'm going with that.
So what's your
it's looking
favourite makeup product that you own?
My favourite makeup product?
Yeah.
I would have to say, well, obviously you've given it to me, is my mascara.
Which one? What mascara?
Yeah, you gave me mascara ages ago.
I didn't.
You did?
What mascara?
I have it in the bathroom.
What's the brand?
I don't know, it's black. I'll find out.
Of course it's black.
But it's really lovely. And we go down the neck a little bit, obviously. I do know that much. So, because I do remember, will I tell a little story?
Yeah.
So before I went in to give birth to Kate, I wanted to look really well. So I put fake tan on my face.
No.
But I only did the circle bit.
You didn't.
So as I'm pushing...
You never told me this before.
Yeah, as I'm pushing, all you could see was this big roundy face with too much tan on me anyway. but it stopped there.
That's not a good look.
No.
No.
It didn't
Especially when you're giving birth.
Yeah, well, I kind of had other things in my mind, like getting you out.
Yeah.
So that's it. Yeah, I like that.
Is it a good colour?
I think it's a really good colour. And I do see the absolute benefits of the brush.
Okay. What would you do now?
So the next thing then we're going to do is, I'm going to say the dreaded word that I know nothing about, which is contouring.
Okay.
Ooh, is that, okay. Oh, right, so wait now, hang on, let's just, so contouring, yeah?
Yeah.
And that's, okay, so here's my question, you needn't answer it, but is contouring different from highlighting? See, that's what somebody like me would know. Okay.
Completely different.
So
like they're opposites.
Yeah. Well, are those, they're, okay. We're looking at card repeating. And I'm definitely going to go with Inferno, absolutely, because I'm burning up with embarrassment.
So what does contouring do?
So contouring then is basically highlighting different parts of your face. I know that you do all this swishy thing going around, up around your forehead.
Yeah, that's bronzer.
Okay. Oh, that right.
Looks really good, Mom.
Oh, really? Jeez.
You look really pretty.
Do I?
Yeah.
Okay. I must have tried on about 10 things before I came downstairs. Aww. So I need to then give you warmth. Although I think the foundation is warm enough, so I'm not sure. I'm looking at this.
Okay.
Hot, cold, cold.
Mom, just do it.
Oh God.
So what else would you put on your cheeks other than bronzer?
Something that gives warmth.
What
blush?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. I can't read that.
Oh,
blush. Bit of respect, please. Right, Flormar. Beautiful little container, look, and it's pure peach. Oh yeah. Okay, we're going to go with this big one here. Around the cheekbones, right in there. I have seen her use circular movements, so I'm going with that now. See, she didn't think I'd pay attention, but I do.
Do you ever put on blush?
Never. See, I don't, because I don't think I have cheekbones, and yet blush is supposed to give me cheekbones.
No, it's not supposed to give you cheekbones. It's supposed to like bring a bit of warmth, a bit of life into your face.
Oh, life. Okay, I could do with that. So I think the face, yeah, I like the face.
So you wouldn't put anything else on the face?
Okay,
What's like my favourite thing about like doing on the face?
Highlighter. And I know where to put that, because I'm really excited, because I remember you doing that. Okay, we're going to go with this.
Read out what it is.
So it's Be Perfect Sub-Zero, and why do I love this?
Look who it's with.
Oh, Mitchell.
Yeah, do you remember I met him at the event? We love Mitchell.
We love Mitchell, definitely. Oh, I'm totally lost.
Yeah, you're doing good. Yeah, any of those would work.
Okay, I'll go with this. I'm going to go with OTT because it's good. So we're highlighting then to just let things pop out.
Okay.
So I remember you just went down here. Ooh, I love it already, yes. Look at that.
I like to be like blinding.
Blinding?
Yeah.
Oh God. We're going to start with the eyes. She wants something for going out a little bit. Okay, so I'm looking at the Be Perfect Carnival palette, which is absolutely beautiful. I'll do a cake on it, yes. I mean, just look at those colours. Oh my God.
Tell people what palettes we have out.
Okay, so the ones we have out are, as I just said, Be Perfect. Kaylee's Urban Bible. I mean, you'd swear on this.
Very good. Oh, because it's a Bible.
Yes.
That's funny.
Now, Kaylee, you can't use that. You should give me a few bob for that. Blood sugar, that would be. Look at those colours. They are so delicious. Okay, I'm going to use this. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to go with it, and it's an Inglot brush. I'm going to go with the. I'm absolutely I'm loving the shuffle. So as you can see, my words shuffle. So I'm just going to go with the centre, and just kind of give it a little bit of push. So we're kind of going into the crease.
Very good. Good word.
I just dip it a little bit, flick it a little bit. Oh, she probably
you say tap off the excess.
Okay, let's try that again. Flick off the excess. I'm going to flick off. Tap off the excess.
Excess.
Tap off.
Weren't you an English teacher?
Wait, now, so yeah, I'm just going to go with. Oh no, but I've lost my confidence now. It's just amazing, the range of colours. But the other thing that fascinates me, am I allowed to talk?
Yeah, just you're putting on so much.
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay.
I think that's nice.
If you had a palette, what would you name the colours in it? Like, would it be a theme?
Birds from the jungle. Oh, birds and little lizardy lads, I love those. Okay, so this is the colour I really love. And it's the Sacred Fire, so it's Kaylee, you're on, girl. That's the one I'm going to use. Oh yeah, I'm getting used to the brush that way. Actually, it's very relaxing doing makeup.
I think so. Okay. You might be a MUA for your new job. Oh. What's a MUA?
A mother under.
It's nothing to do with a mother.
Give me the first letter.
It's literally what, like, what am I?
Makeup under. Makeup.
M-U-A.
Makeup.
Yeah.
Yeah. You.
No, make up.
Oh, makeup. A.
Yeah. What am I?
You're A. My A, like my specimen. Is this like X?
No, what does A stand for? What am I? What's people who do makeup? What are they?
Artists.
Jeez.
We struggled with that. I think it's not so bad.
That noise. Can I have glitter?
No. Okay, I love this stuff.
Okay.
I think this would definitely go. So, be perfect.
Yeah.
Jules. Oh,
That's pretty, isn't it?
I love it.
There you go.
Oh my god. So I'm just gonna give her eyebrows a little shaper.
What do you call that? Remember, you know from when you got your eyelash extensions.
Oh yeah.
Remember,
This
I told you
brush
the
is
word
called?
for it. I told you the word for this thing.
Oh, spoolie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, go on.
So here we are. Look, this lovely little darling tub. So here we go. A little bit of definition on the brows. You know what? When I get them tinted, let's never underestimate the power of the eyebrow. It really makes you look a little bit younger. If you have your hair done and your eyebrow is tinted, oh my god, it takes years off you.
It does. Lifts the face.
It lifts the face, yeah. Okay, fab. So now we're looking at lips, and
Are you gonna do eyelashes or?
Oh yeah, yeah. Will I do those now?
Yeah.
Okay. It's in
Other
here.
way.
Oh, yeah. They almost look they're alive. So, oh my god,
What do you like?
haven't a clue. So what do I like? So never done this before, and this is very frightening. So they're like little. Yeah.
Make sure you.
They're right.
Mom.
They're wrong, are they?
Literally upside down.
Oh yeah, because I was thinking they'd go down. Oh yeah, of course they don't.
But your eyelashes don't go down.
Go up,
they go
yeah,
up.
they go up. Okay. Okay, so here goes. Let's hope for the best. Oh god.
If you want, you can use a tweezers. Would that help?
I think it would. One side is way up. Oh god. Woo! I got that first off.
Very good.
Now we're going to go to lips. Okay.
I like a good like overdraw, like to make my lips look as big as possible.
Okay, so does that mean going out over the lip? Like over the lip? Like to there?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see?
Just do it.
Do that at the very end. Okay. A bit like a mime artist, but we'll go with it. Oh, yeah.
What?
I'm just wondering, is the colour suit? I think, no, it's not. What's that lovely nudie one you wear?
I don't know. You're going at
That's
some
so
lines
bad.
majorly.
Yeah, no.
No.
Everything had been going so well now. I feel really self-conscious again. Okay, let's do the lip thing. Excellent.
Show them what you just did.
Mm.
Oh, it smells so good.
I love that. I want to eat it. Okay, everybody. There she is, ready to go out. Her mother sending her out, made up to...
So if you saw me in
Last.
public like this, would you think there was something wrong with me?
No, I wouldn't, and I think she's being very unfair.
You wouldn't think there's something wrong with me?
No.
Okay. I do like the colours and I liked a little bit of glitter. I think you did too much highlight so that it came down too far. The lashes actually are very good.
I know.
You really got them on
surprised
well.
myself. The
Yeah.
second one just went on like, hello.
Yeah.
No, but I'll have to say, I was really nervous doing this because I thought I don't want to come across like a complete idiot who can't do anything. And I think it's pretty okay, yeah. I mean, I would send her out like that.
Would you?
Yeah.
Oh.
You might come back in a few minutes, but...
So how did you find the whole experience?
I found it very educational. I found it a wonderful experience. Thank you, sweetheart.
So that is it. I really hope you enjoyed watching and got a bit of a chuckle out of it. If you want her to come back sometime, definitely let me know because I think she really enjoyed herself.
Yes, I'd like
You
that.
did, because when the camera was off, I was like, how do you find it? She's like,
I just love videoing.
you said that, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah.
I really did.
So let me know anything else that you want to see and I will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
cake.